5 seconds to go. Start. Merely because the inquest Panchanama has been carried out in the post-mortem room, what prejudice has been caused to the accused has not been shown by the accused and, therefore, it cannot be taken as such lacunae which goes to the root of the case, raising doubt over the prosecution story. Stop. Para. Testimony of PW1 Dr. Chaudhary would clearly indicate that the injuries, those were noted by him, were mainly on the head and neck or around area. Stop. Those injuries are stated to be possible by sharp-edged weapon like sickle and, therefore, it will have to be held that the death is homicidal in nature. Stop. There is no serious cross-examination to the medical officer on behalf of the accused. Stop. Para. PW3 Rohini is the daughter-in-law of deceased as well as appellant. Stop. Though she has stated about the previous conviction of father-in-law, definitely she had no personal knowledge about the same, but since she was the member of family, would have come to know about it from the other family members. Stop. On the basis of that information, if she is deposing to that effect, then it cannot be taken as a basic objection creating doubt over her veracity. Stop. She has deposed that at about 9 am on 15th October 2013, her husband and grandmother-in-law left the house for work. Stop. She was in the house along with accused and deceased. Stop. Around 1:30 and 2 pm, she was cleaning the utensils, when she heard quarrel between the accused and the deceased. Stop. She did not pay attention considering that there used to be quarrels frequently over raising suspicion over the character of mother-in-law, but then the father-in-law told that he would kill the mother-in-law and then took sickle. Stop. The blow was given on the head and below neck. Stop. She says that after she saw blood coming out of the head injury of the mother-in-law, she fell down on the ground and became unconscious. Stop. This problem is with many persons and we cannot take it as an adverse circumstance. Stop. We must also consider that on the day of deposition, she has stated her age to be 20 years. Stop. Therefore, when after she saw blood had started oozing out and she became unconscious, she states that she regained consciousness after some time and at that time she had seen the father-in-law leaving the spot by leaving the sickle near the neck of mother-in-law. Stop. In her cross-examination, she had stated that she had regained consciousness within 15 to 20 minutes. Stop. We cannot take it meticulously as after a person loses her consciousness and regains it, he/she might not predict as to for how much time he/she had lost the consciousness. Stop. It would have been an approximate period that was given by her. Stop. She says that after she regained the consciousness, she had seen her husband and neighbors present there. Stop. She also states that her father-in-law was not present there. Stop. That does not mean that by these sentences it can be inferred that she had not seen her father-in-law leaving the place by leaving the sickle on the spot. Stop.